I do not claim to be a professional. I'm just a dude who likes to have fun and likes to wrench. And has, have my flaws, but I'm doing okay, I think. Yogi Clan, good morning and welcome back to Yogi Cycle Service. I am Yogi, and here at Yogi Cycle Service we talk about everything motorcycle and Yogi related. And today is a big day. Why is today a big day? Today's a big day because I'm actually heading back to the office today. I'm actually in my truck. It's been like 2 months and I'm finally heading back to the office today. The world is starting to reopen just a slight little bit, it seems. So I have been slammed lately. Bike after bike after bike coming into the shop, which is good. I'm blessed. I'm not complaining. The most recent was a 450 Honda Rebel. Needed a new front tire. Check it out. It is a rim, and on that rim there's a lip on the inside. And through that lip there are holes drilled into that, and then there are spokes that go from there to the hub. So I'm looking at it thinking, that valve stem sure looks like it's a tube tire valve stem, but why would there be a tube when stamped on the side it says tubeless? Well, I guess they put a tube in it. Well, that tire, if you looked at the manufacturer stamp on it, was from 2007. And this video is recorded in 2020. So that tire is 13 years old. Let's just say it was a bugger to get off that rim and save the inner tube on the inside of it. So inner tube got a slight little nick on the inside of it trying to get the tire off. Wound up putting a whole new tube, which is probably good because that tube's got 13 years on it anyways. Today we are back at it in the shop. We got another tire change. This one's a little bit different. Why? Because that's a Honda Rebel 450. That is not an HD or Victory or any kind of American-made machine. So we're going to be changing the tire on a 450 Rebel. Sweet! So not really much to it. As you will see, it's probably going to be very much like a Harley tire that you're used to changing if that's what you have been changing. It's very similar. We're going to have some fun with that, but we're also going to be talking about this channel. So this video is not really about changing this tire. It's more about this channel. All right, so here we are back at the front of this bike. I think this is a 95 Honda 450, and we are looking at putting on a 110/90/18 Shinko front tire. Looking at this quickly, we have the axle that goes through. It does not even go into a bolt. It just goes into what would be like a welded on bolt into the fork here with your caliper and your brakes. Spoke wheel, your nut for your shaft for your axle on the other side, and 2 pinch bolts. So pull these pinch bolts, loosen this up, and you should be able to pull the axe out, get the wheel off, and change it as normal. At least that's the plan. All right, so let's get into discussion while we take off this caliper. Monetization. So as many of you know, I just crossed 1,000 subscribers, which means I am eligible to be monetized, which means I can start making money off this channel, which also means y'all will be seeing advertising. So that said, I don't want to go that full route. So yes, I am going to monetize some videos. There will be, for sure, some videos I will monetize. Ones mainly that deal with mechanics, because those seem to be my best performing videos. So I will seek to monetize the videos that perform well. The ones that are updates or vlogs or things like that, the ones I see, get the typical 60 to 150 hits, I'm probably not going to monetize those. So the videos that I don't think are going to be high income producing videos, I have close to 200 videos out there now. And, some do well and some don't. And I pretty much now have a good feeling of when I release a video, how it's basically going to perform over time in relation to some of my other videos. So the videos that may be family oriented or talking about runs oriented and are not wrenching videos, I'm probably not going to monetize those videos to try to kind of keep my grassroots, so to speak. And After day one, just to give you an idea, day one of being monetized, I earned $1.53, I think it was. $1.51, $1.53, somewhere around there. Day two, I earned $2.44. So I'm not retiring anytime soon. That's fine, I don't expect that. But I am really enjoying making videos. Now, do I think that I can maintain a Monday, Wednesday, Friday pace? No, I don't think I can. And that has been very hard on me lately. So I may drop back to maybe like a Tuesday, Friday, or something along those lines. Something a little bit more manageable, a little bit more sustainable. There we go. Yeah, so my real goal will be keep this channel and videos fresh and as fun as possible, and still have the potential to earn a little bit to help support my family. Alright, so this is kind of what looks like a spoke rim on a mag tire. A spoked rim on a mag rim. But that makes me think that there may be a tube in here. I haven't ridden a bike like this in years. Took the little bike out for a ride yesterday, a little 450. Let me tell you, that was a fun little bike, a little Honda Rebel 450. It was small. The wheelbase is small. I was like this. But it was a fun little bike. Next up on the plate, I got a bike in the garage now. It needs a set of handlebars. Not only does it need a set of handlebars, but there are two brackets, fairing brackets that support the fairing that are broken on it. From what I hear is a fairly common problem with that year fairing. This is a Street Glide. This is a 2007 Street Glide. I'm going to be stopping and getting some new grinding wheels for my grinder because we're going to make some new brackets. We're going to fab some new brackets. Just been walking the dogs, working, and wrenching on motorcycles. So I hope you are doing well. I hope you are getting ready for Memorial Weekend. I hope you have an awesome weekend. I hope you get out to get on twos for a little while. Enjoy some of this weather. So let me answer this. Hello, this is Tim. All right, and I'm on my way to the office. I'll be there probably about 20 minutes. If the air conditioning is being serviced, I guess I'll just do that conference call and turn around and go home. That's a great first day to go back to the office and go to work, huh? All right, I'll see you in a bit. All right, bye. I got distracted, sorry. So yeah, so lots of good stuff coming up, and hopefully in the next few weeks, I'm probably gonna drop back to maybe like a Tuesday, Thursday release schedule instead of a Monday, Wednesday, Friday, because it's too much life. If YouTube were my only thing, sure. But it's just too much life. And like I said before, I'm not gonna monetize every video I put out. That's not my goal. But the videos that are wrenching videos seem to do the best on my channel, so I'll probably keep those monetized. But the other ones I don't, because I want to keep Yogi Cycle Services enjoyable as possible. And that means ad-free. So I will not be monetizing every video. Alright, Yogi Clan. Also, a tip for you. Baby powder on changing tubed tires. Man, use baby powder on your inner tube to help it get in and out. Oh. I'll bring that in a video one day too. That tip, saw that from another YouTuber. Found out, man, I will say I have picked up a few tips for some other YouTubers on tire changing here recently. So we're gonna try some of these tips out when next tire changes come. I did the baby powder one in lieu of soap last night. That worked fairly well. So stay tuned. We'll be bringing you some more good stuff. Yogi Clan, thank you for joining. Peace.